Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial video of our trading platform at tradethepool. So this time we're going to talk about indicators, how to add them to your chart, and how to set them the right way. Let's dive right to it. So we're looking at the chart, pretty straightforward. You click on this icon, add indicator. Currently we have 51 of them. We're working to add more and also working on allowing you basically to write your own code in order to implement your own indicator. So let's take just the classic one. Let's say MACD, MACD. Write it in the search box, double click, and there you go, you have it. If you want to edit, adjust it any kind of way, just click on this bar right here, and then you will have all the settings, information, the colors, and the parameters, all the stuff that some of you guys might want to add or modify. And that's it, simply as that. Of course, you can add as many indicators as you want. Besides that, you also have the drawing part right here. Click on it, and you also have tools like Fibonacci and again, some other stuff that you can explore and use. Depends on your trading style, of course. Before we'll finish this video, let me give you a quick 1 minute talk about indicators in general. And this is probably crucial to all of you guys that just started to trade. You know, I've been doing it for a long time, and I saw many traders across the world of using indicators and trading. And one of the important things to remember about indicator is just that we want to use them as a confirmation or an extra V in our checkbox and not the main thing, right? The main thing is learning the chart, learning the price section, understanding the momentum between the buyers and the sellers. And it's easy, of course, to go straight to the indicator because it's very visual, but remember that the indicators are just a replication of the chart, right? The moving average is basically the average of the close from the chart, right? And not the opposite. So make sure that you're not using too many indicators. Try to use maybe one or two just to confirm or just to help you make the right decision overall. And like I said, give you that fine V checkbox. But besides that, focus on the chart, mostly naked. If you want to add some indicators, but not too many, because at the end, the indicators are just coming from that formula of the chart. So remember that, and hopefully it will help you in the future. That's it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.